Hi, my bad. Yo, what's going on? My name is Luis Angel. You are watching A My Memory. For today's video, I'm actually going to be continuing on the series on how to be able to focus a lot better. Now, how many times has this happened to you?
Hey dude, what's up, man? What's up?
Daniel,
hey,
how did you get in?
Don't worry about
My
it.
door's locked.
Yeah, don't worry about it. So check us out. I went to the San Diego Zoo. Oh my goodness, it was so crazy.
Yeah.
This kid, right? A little kid goes, and small kid sneaks inside of like some of the bars.
No way.
And yeah, I know. And he sneaks in. Really, dude?
Why'd you stop? Why'd you stop talking?
You're not even paying attention to me.
Dude, yeah, I am.
What did I say?
You just told me that your girl just had a baby. And you just told me you went, you picked him up, and then you started crying because he looked just like you. You know, my God, little Daniel, I can't believe.
No, that's not what I said.
That was what you just told me.
You're talking to somebody, right? And then they're over here messing around with their phone. You know that they're not really paying attention to what you're saying. Remember what I said in my last video? You can only really truly consciously, when you're taking in new information, you can only focus on one thing at a time, not two things, because then your conscious mind is divided. But let's say you're running and then you're listening to an audiobook, you can do that because running is a subconscious activity. You already know how to do that. You don't have to think about running. You just pump your arms, pump your legs, and you go, right? But if you're taking in new information, you're putting down new information, you gotta only do one of those at a time. So if you're telling a friend a story and they're not paying attention because you know they're not paying attention, they're on their phone, just stop talking and then wait for them to look up, because then they're gonna be like, why'd you stop talking, right? And if that doesn't work, what you wanna do is this.
So he runs up on this gorilla, runs inside, smacks this gorilla upside his head. Gorilla gets
Dude, how
mad.
many, what? All those people are gonna be there? Man, I gotta go. She's gonna be there? Woo! Dude. Daniel, where'd you go? Oh.
Alright, maybe not the pillow part, but anyway, if you want to just stop talking and maybe just walk away. My friend taught me that one. He used to always get frustrated with other people because he knows what's going on. If someone's texting on the phone and you're telling them a story, you're telling them something important, they're not really paying attention to you. They're not really focused on what it is that you have to say. So what you want to do is just stop talking and walk away. And then they're going to be, okay, maybe I should start listening to this person more often. And you're also training them to be able to focus better. You're actually doing them a favor. And if those two things don't work, you can actually take it a step further. Oh, this is kind of dangerous, but you know what I'm talking about right now. Check it out.
He smacks his gorilla upside the head. Gorilla gets mad, starts beating his chest.
Yeah.
Kid pisses himself. Then after,
Yeah.
oh, you paying attention now?
Yeah, I was paying attention.
Anyway, like I was saying, kid gets grabbed by the gorilla. Gorilla grabs him. It was funny, right?
Yeah, that was good, man. I was listening.
Okay, just want to make sure. It was funny though.
Alright, I'm kind of playing about that last one, so don't go punching people around in the face unless you know, you're really cool with them and you know you can take them on. I'm just playing. Don't do that. You're gonna get into trouble. You're gonna be like, yeah, Lewis told me to punch people in the face if they're not listening to me. No, don't do that. So what did we learn today? We learned to punch people in the face to get their attention. That's right. You learned that in order for you, if you're the person over here that you're getting a story or you're listening to a teacher or something like that, and you're texting at the same time, you want to put that phone down and wait till after that information is given to you. Why? Because you can only consciously focus on one thing at a time. At the same time, you're strengthening your focus ability muscle. You're conditioning yourself to be able to turn on that focus switch right away. Because guess what? Later on when it really counts, like say you're reading a book, you're studying, or you're taking a test and you really want to focus, you want to push all distractions aside, you can easily turn on that switch because you've done it even on those non-important situations, right? Every situation should be important in order for you to focus. You condition yourself on a regular, consistent basis. That's it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, favorite it, comment down below. I am out.